Sorry. Now we're making slime. We're playing with slime. And today, this is very sticky slime.
Oh my god, that is my slime.
This is her slime.
Mine's very sticky.
Mine is like pink.
This is her putty. It's very soft. Not sticky at all.
I put shaving cream in it.
I don't have foam shaving cream.
I do.
I have gel. I added a lot of
No,
gel shaving
this
cream
is.
to that.
That's why it's sticky. Now I'm trying to get
Today we are going
to teach you how to play with slime.
Yeah.
As soon as I get this stuff off my hands.
Stick, like, do that on the bowl. On the bowl.
Okay. I just have to stick it to the table.
As you probably don't know, yesterday was my birthday. I'm 10.
She doesn't. They don't know.
Okay, yesterday was my birthday. I'm 10.
Because you've never been on my channel. But my channel's
better. Well,
Hello.
you've been on my channel.
I have.
Yes.
Tell them about your channel.
My channel is Megan Green, but you might have to search a video of it.
Like, I usually search up Megan Green that I can find her stuff. Her stuff, she has, hers is like, I gotta think of her picture. It's her. You can see her. Kids. Here, let's use that.
This face is mine.
Now this slime.
Wait,
is like,
why don't we
really
do
sticky.
a basement tour?
We'll do that in both of our channels.
Well, my channel's not existing anymore. Well, it is existing, but I can't make any more videos because
Until
I get a new
ever
phone.
since today, we've been making videos together.
Yeah.
And actually, if you hear some bells or you see a cat jump in here, that's Tiggy or Domino. The black and white one
Is Domino. Tiger is my
It looks
Brown.
like a tiger.
brown, my gray, my black, my kind of silver cat. That's why I named her Tiger.
Because she does look like a tiger, and she's rough, and she used to roughhouse like a tiger.
I see her. She's under the table.
Okay,
You go onto one side, and I'll go onto the other. We'll go get her.
Megan will get her while I
Oh no.
talk to you. Oh, I found her. Right.
Sorry, sir, I didn't hear that.
Okay. Melody,
What?
stand right aside.
What are you guys talking about?
Hold on. I gotta get
Oh
this.
no, she has saw me. She's gonna run when I go by her.
Hi,
She can fix every.
Look how big she is.
That's actually all of her fur. Not
It's
her
so
back.
still fat because it's fluffy.
I'm going to go get some spaghetti that I got. Okay, let me show you everything that I got for my birthday.
So she got like this nail set, and it's like dry.
This is my nail set. Working nail dryer.
And
Some
then
project I'm
and then
for.
she made this.
I have a Zoom Zoom activity kit. Yeah. Let's go to my room. Rest of my stuff is in my room. Melody, I got this too.
Hey, my sister got that dream tent.
I got that dream tent too.
No, she got the same thing. The exact same one. I got like a winter.
The unicorn?
No, I got. Lexi got the unicorn one.
Okay, Melody.
I got a winter.
Melody, this is one of my posters. Oh no, we're gonna have to fix it. Some of the gems came off.
It's okay. It still looks beautiful.
Over it. Hashtag over it. I got a lot of Zoom Zoom things for my birthday.
Here, my phone. Okay, now I'm taking over the phone, and it looks like Megan got something. What is it called? That slime kit?
Yeah, I got a slime kit.
That's what you made that blue slime out of, or no?
No.
I want to make it. I want to use this and make some slime. Well, we ask her down. Ooh, glitter. Is this? Which one was this?
What?
Which kind of slime kit was this?
Slimy glue.
Yeah, but what kind? Mermaid?
Just a
Unicorn.
regular one.
No.
Rainbow.
Unicorn.
It was
Unicorn.
rainbow.
It was unicorn.
It was rainbow.
Unicorn slime. It gave you 3 different colors so you can put them together, swirl them together.
Rainbow.
Okay, now we're going to go into the kitchen again, which this is a very dark room. We're going to the kitchen. Look at that room. Now, we'll put it back right here. Now, my phone is kind of weird, so just deal with it.
For my birthday, I got some Zoom Smencils.
I want to smell it.
There's a cupcake flavored one too. This is cupcake. And I also got a notebook. Zoom notebook. Just stuck to my
Here's the yellow pencil.
We
oops.
can't use smell-o-vision because that is not real.
Yet. And now
So should-
this is what the flavor was of the scent. It was like cupcake. Now this one is blue.
It is cotton candy.
It smells super good. It's like blue cotton.
Use smell-o-vision.
It's cotton candy.
You can just smell that blue cotton candy.
If you can smell it, comment down below.
If you're at a carnival, what a coincidence. Because you can smell it all over.
Now there's a purple and a red one.
Oh, yeah.
I'll show you the purple one first.
It's grape. It's so grapey, you don't even know.
Oh,
So great.
and that was super.
I want to smell a cherry.
And now it's like purple, and this one I think. Cool. This one's grape.
This one's cherry.
I think I should show them the pencil. This one's red, and
Which
this
is cherry.
Now those are all the Smencils that she got. Nope.
Melody. We can write in this notebook with my
Look what I
Smencils.
did.
No!
Hold on, let us put the tabs back on. In the next video, we're gonna go downstairs
And do a room.
and we're gonna
Hey,
do a basement
Melody.
tour.
Melody,
So here's the slime,
I'm gonna get something.
and actually this slime is like really stretchy. So is this one, but this one's starting
My
to get
tablet.
dry.
Was not broken, but now it is. Almost into a million pieces, but it didn't break. It actually did.
I have to put some more water in this. It's gonna dry out.
Okay, I have to show you, Melody, I have to show you our old videos.
Now I'm gonna look at some old videos. We'll show you after we're done. And right now I
Remember
have-
this?
Yeah. Here, let me see your phone. Let me see this. Now her iPad's cracked, but we took this picture when we were littler. Just a little littler.
Yeah.
Oh crap.
Melody, let's show us one of our fake YouTube videos. I don't know why.
Here's Megan trying to be cool.
I was not cool back then.
If the phone
Well,
can
I was
focus.
cool to you. I was your friend.
Now, actually, some of these photos are gone.
No, they aren't. Just keep on scrolling.
Now here's Tiggy again, being a little brat.
She was nice. Remember this?
Secretary of State didn't know who they were taking their orders from. I wasn't in the
Melody, remember when I poked a
all the money in my pocket,
hole in my water
all
bottle?
the money in your pocket,
Yeah.
and it was Leo. So no
Yeah.
one
I got her! I got Tiggy! Okay, this is Tiggy. The real Tiggy, yep.
This is the real Tiggy.
Okay, can you put the slime away so I can let her on the table?
Hold on, this is what we do. There, she can walk on. Ah! Oh, lucky.
That.
And now,
This is Tiggy.
woo! She ran right through my phone.
Well, not right through,
Yeah, she did.
right past. I need this. me find
No.
one of our old YouTube videos, our fake
We tried to
one.
make some fake YouTube videos when we were littler because
Oh, I remember
we
this.
did it.
I remember when I
because-
took this Techie drinking out of a water bottle.
I
Oh.
thought cats hated water.
No, cats only drink water. Cats can't drink milk, actually. They have
They
to
can
have a
drink milk.
special kind of milk.
No, mine used regular milk.
Goat milk.
My cat used to use just regular milk.
Oh my gosh, remember when we took this picture? Tiger Paw!
Tiki paw, tiki paw, tiki. Ooh. No, my.
Is it over?
Okay, so the tiger, that cat is just crazy when he was little.
Remember. Memories.
Here's a memory. I made an ugly face.
What?
Where's Alex? We'll play a game. What?
Playing on the gamepad.
Woohoo!
Well,
It's
This is Melody trying to be cool. Melody, okay, do the similarity.
no, actually, you can actually tell I'm not wearing my glasses. It's because my glasses are all scratched up, and I'm not gonna wear them no more because I'm getting a new pair. And maybe next time, probably next YouTube video, after these ones that I make, I might have a new pair of glasses. Here's the silliest photo we've ever took. Megan, like,
And you're like, nah.
dude, soda too.
here's how I think about slime.
You the
I got an idea. If you have a channel, I want you
one time when I had
to
a copier. Hey,
make some slime and show us how you feel with the slime. Here's how I feel with slime. Ready?
Oh, I forgot to see
It gets like really sticky, but I'm gonna fix it for 4. I said for 4. It's super stretchy.
Cracker.
I
I don't know if you want to I don't know.
You add lotion
What do you want?
just to
soda or
make
cracker?
it soft. I want to play some Just Dance.
okay.
Just Dance will be
You only have
okay.
about 20
Just Dance.
Okay, guys.
Goodbye. Wait,
Alright, I'm
before we go, could you hit the subscribe button and click on the
Notification.
channel notifications in 3 seconds? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Done. And if you have, please subscribe that you have.
Festival has a-
And then if you like this
Please
video,
comment that you have.
yes. Or comment down below.
Smash the like button and be gone.
Goodbye.